Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can make a YouTube short video by using a landscape YouTube video. So let's get started. I will also leave the instruction in the description as well, so make sure to check that out. To convert your YouTube video in a short video, first I'm going to select the video and drag it to my timeline. And here I'm going to unlink the video. Now by selecting this one, I'm going to the sequence. And here I'm checking this option, the auto reframe sequence. Just click on this. And here we will be creating a new sequence for your vertical video that will be your short YouTube video. You just need to select on the vertical and hit on create. Now I'm going to play the video. Now you can see that the video size is shrinked and it is now in vertical rather than the landscape one. So let me show you how the landscape one video looks like. You can see. So what does auto reframe does? Let me show you. Now it is by using this feature, the Premiere Pro converts your landscape video in a short video. As you can see, the dog is not in the frame right now. So we are going to make some adjustment to that as well. So to do that, you need to click on the video and go to the effects control. If you don't see this panel, you can go to the windows. And here you can select this option. I'm going to bring the dog into the frame. So for that, I'm going to use this option here. And I'm going to play the video. And just here. Now I'm going to reposition it by adding the keyframe. I will add a keyframe here. And now I will readjust the video. And here. Now I'm done with the animation. Let's just get back into it. So as you can see, we have converted our YouTube video. And of course, this is just a sample video. Your video might be much longer than that. So this is just a basic sequence settings that you can apply it to make your landscape video into a short form video. So this is it from my side. If you like the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.